Hello everyone, my name is VAISHNAV and the product I have chosen for this is Amazon. So the name I have came up for this is Amazonic. Amazonic is like a enhanced version of Amazon. It is like a secured version of Amazon with safety measures and more reliable features added to it. The feedbacks which I have collected during the empathy phase are fragile products are sometimes received as damage. The fragile products such as glass and bowl are sometimes when we receive they are damaged due to physical pressure and hitting surfaces like wall, etc. And brushing of products. Brushing is a scammer will place order to public addresses, and if we pay for it we cannot return it. And groceries are not available. Delivery date should be changeable. Delivery date, sometimes we have an emergency, so we should have the option to change the delivery time and date. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are to be added to the existing product, and that are groceries are made available, products should be packaged with more care, an option where we can change the delivery date and time, solution for problems like brushing. And the futuristic product name I have chosen for this is Megazone. The real working model, as you can see here, has no big changes to the original app which is Amazon, but we have added features to it, new features, so that we can reduce the problems we are facing on Amazon. And for the testing phase and actual working model, I need people to comment your opinion on this video to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.